No Nemo?
Watch Nemo.
You don't want to watch Nemo?
Watch Nemo.
Okay, we're going to have to compromise, okay? We're going to watch one episode of Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, and then we'll watch Nemo, okay? We're going to watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse first, and then we're going to watch Nemo, okay? So you both get to watch what you want. Why not?